tū te mainga, ko te ara i te awa, ko rongo whakāta te iwi. My connection to this whenua would start, I guess, at the arrival of our waka.
My mother, through her parents and tipuna backwards, inherited that land and passed it on to us. We promised in our own ways to take care of it. Whānau and whenua mean a lot to me, so there's not a lot of difference between those two words as far as I'm concerned.
I was lucky enough to go up the hill with all of our whānau earlier this year, and it was beautiful to be up there and see my nanny, especially on the whenua, and being able to be up there and reconnect again.
Reconnecting to the land, as I said before, I'm never away from it. I might be physically away from it, but here and mentally I'm here. I'm on the land that my parents bequeathed to us.
And it's important for the rangatahi who come after us and continue to come after us to have a place where they can put their feet down, have their roots and call home as well. No matter where they are in the world, they can always come back to our whenua and feel like they're connected to this whenua.